All right. Someone asked me how I disassemble a Lee Enfield magazine. So I'm going to demonstrate on this number 4 Mark 1. I'm not sure if this is the official way, but this is how I do it and how it works for me. So the first thing I do is tilt it to the rear. And you see it's caught on these lips here at the front. So once you get down, you just slide it to the rear, pop it up, and then the spring will push everything up. It gets caught on these rear lips, and you just tilt it to the left a little, and then she pops out and ready for cleaning. Like this one, that's very dirty and will get cleaned today. So reassembly is just the opposite. Put it in, tilt the rear in, drop it down, push it forward. There you go. Hope this helps you out.